Hello everyone. As you can see, this is Bose SoundLink Bluetooth speaker 3. I left it for a couple of years without using it, and now when I tried to recharge it, the battery was not taking any charge. Instead, the indicator was flashing, but no turning on, nothing. So I decided to replace the battery and give it a try. So when I replaced the battery, everything went back to normal. And first time when I tried to order a battery for this model, I was surprised. Why? Because the battery looked like a notebook battery, quite big, decent. The price was about 35, obviously not the genuine one. That is from third-party manufacturer. It comes in a pack like that. And replacing battery for this speaker is so simple and easy. It looks pretty difficult, but it's not. It's quite fun to do that. By the way, the replacement battery comes with a spare screwdriver, which is Phillips. It's too small, not too friendly to use, so I decided to use my own old screwdriver. Okay, so that's the battery. And to replace the battery, you must need to remove 4 screws in total. Also, you need to remove 2 sticky, non-slippery pad, which is underneath the speaker on the right and left. So I decided to use my tweezer. This is quite strong adhesive, so be careful. Use your firm hand when you try to peel off this one, and try to keep it in a clean surface. Otherwise, if it gets dusty, you can't put it back. I mean, you can, but the adhesive wouldn't be that strong. So after peeling off both of them, we're gonna locate 2 screws, one in the both side, right and left, and then we're gonna take out this bottom cover, and that would give you access to get into the battery. And then another 2 screws on the battery, which secured the battery into the right place. And once we remove those 2, we can pull it off. So simple. Then we're going to fit the new one, and it should be fine. By the way, this is one of the old speaker from Bose. Decent quality. If you want to listen to any good music, anything, I think that is still good in 2023 instead of buying new speaker. Okay, the most of the cases, those hardware are really strong and heavy duty, doesn't get defected, but the battery might if you don't use it for so long. So let's change the battery, and it shouldn't take more than 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, so everything has done. Now I'm going to check it. I'm going to connect the charger, which is 17 volt, and it shows the battery is flushing, but softly, not kind of rapid flush. If it does rapid flush, that means that is not charging, and that's the old battery. Now let's test it